In 2026, making six figures doesn't mean you're rich anymore. In fact, in many American cities, $100,000 now gives you the same lifestyle that $60,000 gave people just a few years ago. And the scariest part? Most Americans still think they're moving forward, while inflation quietly destroys them. A few years ago, making $100,000 a year sounded rich. Today, in many American cities, it barely feels comfortable. Most people still think they're getting ahead, but in 2026, your salary is silently losing value faster than most people can emotionally process. Section 1. The Great Salary Illusion. Americans are earning more money than ever before. Higher salaries, bigger paychecks, better job titles, but almost everything around them got even more expensive. Their real purchasing power keeps collapsing. Section 2. The system most people never notice. While most people focus on salaries, the wealthy focus on asset ownership. If you survive on wages alone, inflation slowly bleeds you dry, but if you own assets, appreciating assets, inflation can actually make you richer. But inflation alone isn't what destroyed the modern salary. The real killer is something most Americans willingly upgraded into themselves. Section 3. The Lifestyle Inflation Trap. When most people get a raise, they upgrade their lifestyle. Bigger apartment, new car, more subscriptions. They never actually escape the paycheck-to-paycheck cycle. If inflation averages 6%, taxes remove 25%, and lifestyle expenses rise 20%, then your raise was never a real raise. Section 4. The Debt Machine. Modern salaries were designed to support debt. Most salaries are already pre-spent before they even arrive. There's another hidden reason your salary collapsed after 2020. Section 5. The Real Game the Wealthy Play. Wealthy people don't rely on salaries to become rich. They use salaries to acquire assets. Salaries grow slowly, but assets can explode exponentially. The middle class didn't disappear overnight. It got financially diluted year after year. Section 6. The Escape Plan. Stop measuring wealth by salary alone. Focus on ownership. Build assets. Avoid lifestyle inflation. The next decade will create two completely different groups of people. Comment freedom if you refuse to stay financially trapped.